Let's talk cyber stickers. Get ready to see shiny new Shield logo on your routers and IoT devices starting in 2024. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. The White House and the FCC are rolling out the U.S. Cyber Trust Mark, a voluntary cybersecurity labeling program that screams, "Pick me, I'm secure." This labeling program will help consumers effortlessly identify devices that meet a set of cybersecurity criteria. You know, all the good stuff like unique and strong default passwords, security updates, user data protection, and limited access to their management interfaces. Guess who's already signed up to play? We've got big names like Amazon, Best Buy, Google, LG, Logitech, and Samsung ready to ship and sell devices with this cyber trust mark, assuming they pass the cyber health check. So, who's going to define these cybersecurity standards, you ask? NIST has been tasked with creating security requirements for consumer grade routers. Meanwhile, the Department of Energy is concocting cybersecurity labeling requirements for smart meters and power inverters. But hang on, doesn't that mean there's a risk of unscrupulous vendors sticking this shiny cyber trust mark on their products without actually meeting the criteria? Indeed, but the White House is one step ahead. The FCC is set to create a national registry of certified devices, and along with the Department of Justice, they'll make sure anyone playing fast and loose with the Cyber Trust Mark logo gets their just desserts. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.